Welcome back friends, and as you can see that in between tutorials I just went ahead and kind of tweaked these styling properties of this app, and just basically to show you the code I had written. So this is actually it, and we just gave everything out here a paper material. And the one cool thing about paper material is that if you just change this elevation property, that it kind of attempts to change the depth of the paper. So as we can see that since I increased it to 5, so it kind of looks more elevated up from the screen itself, whereas something with the property of 3 out here looks more subtle down to the screen. And so moving on, that you can see that I've also added some of the list properties, something like the maximum temperature of the day, minimum temperature of the day, the pressure and the humidity. So basically to show you an example also, I'll just add a few more properties, and that would be something like the weather, and the main part that would actually be like clear or rainy or something like that, and then there's a small description. And one more thing is that you don't have to just go on to write all these 7 elements, since this is an array. And you can see I have just written these 5 properties which are just looped over one over the other and produce this whole list of cool looking weather forecast. So let's do it. So I'll just put in things like, just open this. Okay, so first thing we'll put is the description. I'll just type in first condition and span, just put in item dot weather. See, since the thing is inside weather, and then inside weather there's a list, and then inside weather there's a list, and then inside that we have these main or different things. So what we'll have to do is that we have to loop over this weather array also. So to loop over that, we'll again have to create or just do the same thing as we had done above, that is a template with a is property is equal to DOM repeat, and then again we'll have to have something like items and then loop over that. So let's see what to do. Okay, so I'll again